Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by building a focused sales workspace and assigning roles so data stays clean. Once created, add 3 core pages: a lead capture form, a deal pipeline board, and a contact database with phone, email, status fields. Then connect Gmail or Slack. This automates lead inflow so nothing slips through. Make sure to set permissions for reps versus managers and create a simple template for new deals. This ensures consistent data entry and speeds up reporting later. Next, construct a multi-stage pipeline board that mirrors your sales process: prospect, qualified, demo, proposal, and closed outcomes. Once done, relate each deal to contact and company databases and use roll-ups to aggregate ARR, next activity, and close probability. Make sure to add automations that move cards between stages, ping reps via Slack or email, and create reminder tasks for follow-ups. These rules cut manual work and maintain data integrity. So forecasting and daily huddles use the same single source of truth. To finish deals reliably, use a standardized close checklist inside each deal record: contract signed, invoice issued, CRM status updated, and an onboarding project created. Once closed, archive or tag records for retention. For oversight, add manager views filtered by close date, rep, and stalled deals older than 30 days so you can prioritize coaching. If data isn't syncing, check relation fields, permissions, and automation triggers first. Often a broken relation or a disabled integration is the single point of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.